So if we're thinking about Christmas sales on Amazon and what type of ads you should run to actually get onto be part of the Christmas sales, is what I believe you should focus on is getting your product ranked really high for Christmas. And the reason being is this. So if we go to Amazon trends, so let's have a look. So this is Amazon, and this is the trend of Amazon, of people searching for Amazon, getting onto Amazon in the past 5 years. And we can see something very special. Well, first of all, we can see that there's a very good incline trend, right? So we know Amazon is growing in the last 5 years, right? Which is good news for all of us, right? So another thing is you'll notice is these little speed humps. Now, what happens around about November, so around about November the 1st, Amazon starts to take off, right? So they'll probably get approximately double the amount of traffic, right? Now, there's a ton of money that goes into this, and everyone knows to get onto Amazon for Christmas. So instead of trying to get outside traffic to take advantage of the Christmas sales, what I'd be doing is, if my product is already in Amazon, I'd be trying to get it ranked as high as possible on page 1 for my main keywords, and I'm putting all my focus into that so I can actually capitalize on the traffic that's coming in on November the 1st. Right? So from November the 1st until around about, starts to dip around about January the 1st. So from November 1st to January 1st, you can see that massive spike year on to year. Right, so what I'd be doing there, Lynn, is definitely focusing on getting your product ranked. And I know we have a call tomorrow, which is going to be great. We're going to be going over a few different things there with you, but that's what would be my main focus, is just to capitalize on all the traffic that's coming to Amazon anyway. Instead of me trying to find it, bring it to Amazon, I will purely get my product ranked as high as possible for my main keywords and any other less competitive keywords, and be in that position to take advantage of that from November 1st. Make sure my inventory levels are full, and make sure my ranking is very, very high. So that would be my main focus.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.